This video will demonstrate how to install an em.glaze flat glass roof light. First, check the dimensions of the upstand. This should match the size on your order confirmation. The upstand must be flat-topped and have a minimum 5-degree slope. Position and apply contraband foam tape to the top of the curb, so that it provides continuous seal with tight butt joints wherever tape meets or joins. Position the roof light on top of the curb. Ensure that the unit is positioned centrally on the curb with an equal gap of at least 10 mm between the outside of the curb and internal face of the unit drip flange. Using the included screws, fix the frame to the curb horizontally through the pre-drilled fixing holes. Take care not to over-tighten. The installation is now complete, and the protective film can be removed, ready for use.